Welcome back, friends and family. This is Eddie from Redefine Fishing Channel. Today we're gonna be showing you how to remove paint from your T-top. Very simple, very inexpensive. All you need is a putty knife. Gotta protect your eyes, goggles. You could get the premium sprayable stripper and at any hardware store, and a spray bottle. Use a spray bottle, that's why it's sprayable. You can use a spray bottle because it's gonna be way much easier and faster. You give it about 5-10 minutes and guess what, it's gonna strip right out. Then you can sand it, prime it, and paint it whichever color you want to do. So let's get this done. Oh, I hope you like my new hat. Love it. It protects me. It's a little bit sunny, not that bad, but you gotta protect yourself. Got this my last trip to Puerto Rico. Represented PR Puerto Rico to all my Puerto Rican family, followers, friends. Shout out to each one of you guys. So let's get this started and let me show you how it could be done. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray all the area that you want to handle. Oh shit. Look at that, already using the wrong hand. I have no gloves on that hand. First mistake, can't do that. You gotta be careful. You gotta make sure you get that use protective gloves. Oh, I hope I don't get it on the camera, but no, it's not spraying that far. And just leave it 15 minutes and let it soak. Basically what it will do, it will be taking care of the paint. And let it soak for a couple of minutes. We'll be right back. Look at this guy, 54 seconds, 53 seconds left, and look how much work it has done. Unbelievable. Isn't this thing amazing? Simple. And that's just a little bit that we sprayed there. Here, let me show you guys one thing. This thing is so powerful that even, look at this. Look at this. Even with the rag. So let's go ahead and start scraping and let me show you how easy it comes out. Look at that. Very simple, very easy. Oh, wait a second. That's your alarm. 11 seconds left, but we're not gonna wait that long. So we're gonna go ahead and continue scraping. Look at this. Very simple. Look at this. Doesn't take that long. And I mean, there are gonna be spots that you're gonna miss, but what you can do is get, when you sand it, get a sander. When you sand it before you paint it, it'll take care of that. Not only that, once you prime it, it's gonna look way much better. I know guys, it's breezy, it's windy, and it's kind of difficult maybe to hear me, but I'm trying my best. But this is basically what it is. And this is something that you could do, I don't know, maybe half a day, depending how big your T-top is, but it could be done. And again, look at me using the wrong hand without the gloves. Very simple. Look at that. Look at the difference. Let me remove the camera so you guys see the difference. Look at that. To that, from that to that. Big difference. So guys, look at me, still wearing these. I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna hang them right here because I'm gonna be continue doing this. Gotta put the hat back. Puerto Rico. So guys, yes, safety goggles, gloves. Don't do like me. I took one off, forgot to put it back on. And putty knife. And like I said, you could get look at that, all bent up. You could get this product, this stripper, at the hardware store. Doesn't matter. Sprayable, very important. And get one of those sprayable bottle. They come in very handy, and it's gonna be way much easier. As you can see, look at that. Just sand, prime, and start painting. Once I finish everything, look at the mess. Anyway, so there's the El Nene ready cover. I got a new cover for the motor. It's gonna be going to the shop tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm all excited. Can't wait to get it painted, and you guys will see the color. So once again, thank you for all my supporters, all my friends, family that watch my channel. I'm trying to reach my goal. I know it takes time. I know I don't post that much, but I'm trying my best. And I'm gonna continue posting short videos like these on things that you could do on your own and save all that money. So stay tuned for more. If you like this short video, click like. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification button so you know when the new video is gonna come out. And if you want to comment, please feel free. Doesn't matter which comment it is. If it's good or bad, bad comments are even better for me because it's gonna help me improve. So guys, thank you very much. Peace out and see you guys later.